Well, here we are in your typical teenage boy's bedroom, and what a surprise, there is damage to the wall. You know, a lot of people get stressed over how to patch small holes like this. It's very easy, and today I'm going to show you how to do it. Before we do anything, we want to make sure there's no loose material around the damage on the wall. So I take a putty knife and just scrape it away. We're going to repair this damage with spackle, and there are two types of spackle basically. There's lightweight and heavyweight. Lightweight is for dents or small little nail holes. We'll use this for the one up top here. For larger damage like this here, we're going to use the heavyweight spackle. You really want to make sure that you push it deep in there and really want to work it in. Both of these holes are sort of deep, so we're going to probably put on 2 coats. We'll put this in, let this dry, come back, and we'll put another coat on and let that dry, and then we'll come back and sand. Push it in the hole. Now with this specific brand of spackle, it'll actually turn white when it's ready to be sanded or for the second coat. While we're waiting, we can address the little guy up here, and for that we're going to use the lightweight spackle. This coat now is dry. I'm going to just clean it up with a little bit of 220 grit sandpaper, and then we'll put on the second coat. Now that everything is dry, we can sand it all smooth and get it ready for paint. All right, we're definitely going to need primer on this. I'm actually using paint with primer in it. We're going to put on 2 coats and we'll let it dry, and it will look as good as new. And I told you it was not that hard.